Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. I'm trying to clean off my desk. I'm gonna vacuum my floor. Oh no, a shoe. No. Cause I like to see vacuum lines. See, there's one, but I need some fresh vacuum lines. I need to clean off this desk and then get some work done. So I'll be right back. So I'm just sitting at my desk and this message to my YouTube dashboard. And this makes me happy because shout out to y'all, first of all. Shout out to all my new subbies. Welcome to the tribe. But this makes me happy because I am working on being hella consistent from now on and posting a video a day for 30 days. And I'm happy about this little message. Just like YouTube saying, we see you, girl. I so appreciate it. Consistency. For those of you wanting to start a channel, you have to be consistent. I've been on YouTube for 5 years and I've never been this consistent ever. So if you want to do well on this platform, on any platform, consistency is key. Alright y'all, so I just went to check my mail, and I finally got a couple of packages that I've been waiting on. So let's open together. And I think these are my lashes that I ordered. Let's see. I saw these on a YouTuber. Freaking beautiful. So let's focus. Gorgeous. I'm afraid that it might be too long. I was hoping they wouldn't be like super long, because y'all know I wear glasses, but I got 3 pairs. And then I've been waiting on a sample. And it literally took 2 months to get here. So I will not be using them as a printer, but it finally arrived. I'll show you guys. And it's not coming off right, the color. This is like a hot pink, but it says Frequency Boss, and it is a hoodie. Oversized hoodie. that took entirely too long to get here, but finally got it. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna try it on. You guys will see it in a future video if you haven't already by the time you guys see this. But yeah, we gotta keep looking for a printer because this took too long. Okay, y'all. I showed you guys this in maybe it was in my live when I was cooking Chipotle bowls. It's amazing. See if I can focus it. There we go. And it's made here in Frisco, but if you guys can find it somewhere, you should get it. It is so good. Sitting up here watching Shark Tank, and I'm going to be doing some work here in a second, but I just wanted to remind you guys to try this. This is my second jar in less than a week. It's so good. This is so annoying. This is what makes working from home difficult, when this stuff happens. And it literally takes like 2 hours. And I have been having technical difficulties all day trying to get tomorrow's vlog up. Yeah, now this. Alright, so I'm about to throw together some dinner. I'm just gonna make a vegan chili, some red beans, our meatless grounds here. We don't eat meat substitutes often, but maybe a couple of times a month. But I actually really like these over any of the others. Some bell pepper, celery, some vegetable stock. I have some garlic bread. And these are my spices. I'm gonna put a little bit of what's left in here. Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, a little bit of salt, paprika, parsley, garlic. I pretty much put the same thing in everything. Let me find chili powder. Where's my chili? Lord, I hate looking for oh, it's in my office. I put some in my soup earlier. I was like, nah, I know dang well. I have chili powder. Alright, no shoes on the carpet. Alright, so you gotta have your chili powder in here. And I'm going to put it in my Instapot. If you guys do not have an Instapot, you're missing out on life. This thing is everything. It's legit gonna cook. I'm just gonna throw it all in there. It's gonna cook in about 35 minutes. But let me show y'all this. This spicy sriracha is amazing. Wait, I want it to focus. It is so good. What is this? I need to figure out how to turn the autofocus back on. But anyway, it is really, really good. Some spices at the bottom. Very spicy. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw this together really, really quickly.